Welcome back friends, myself Professor Khodri Rishikesh, and in previous portion we have seen introduction, parts of the flower and regarding symmetry of the flower. Here we are going to continue our discussion in flower, but with respect to the floral whorl. So floral whorl, you can see I have written here floral whorl. So what is this floral whorl? If you remember in last video I have said that flower consists calyx, corolla, male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. Here in this video we are going to discuss in detail about what this calyx, corolla means. So I'm sure you must have heard that sepal, petal, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, stamen and carpel like words. Many students are making confusion in order to understand this. Here I am trying to help you to understand what is difference between them. So first of all, let's see what do you mean by a calyx. I have made a box for it. Calyx. So the photograph is indicating that the green portion below to the flower is considered as a calyx. Then question will arise, what is sepal? Okay. So sepal is a unit of calyx. You can write here is I have written here unit of calyx is a sepal. What I mean is actually is that if you take calyx aside, if you separate the calyx and if you see, you will find there are many sepals are present there. Means some calyx contain 4 sepals, some calyx contain 5 sepals, some calyx contain many sepals. So I am sure you must have understood that calyx is not a different terminology. Calyx is the group in which you will find various sepals are present. So the calyx includes many sepals. You can say here. If you talk about another floral whorl, corolla. So the another photograph showing that various beautiful colorful portion of the flower, which is generally attractive portion of the flower, on which you decide whether the flower is colorful or not. Some petals are white as photograph indicating, some corolla are pinkish in color, some corolla are purple in color. So the corolla, okay, corolla are colorful, no problem, but what is petal? So the same as before, corolla includes many petals. Corolla includes many petals. So the petal is unit of corolla. If you see, some corolla includes 5 petals, some corolla includes 10 petals, some corolla includes like rose. You will find many petals are there. So calyx and corolla are the accessory portion of the flower, just we have discussed here. Now we are moving to the important part, that is necessary organ of the flower. Which are the necessary organ? The first is the next important portion of the flower is androecium. So the androecium, as photograph is indicating here, androecium is male reproductive organs which are generally producing pollen grains. In androecium, you will find various stamens are present. So the if you look at the androecium as a androecium, if you see as androecium as a terminology in which you will find are the unit of this androecium. Stamens are the unit of androecium. Many stamens comes together to create androecium. You can find 5 stamens in some flower, 10 stamens, or sometimes you cannot count the number of stamen to identify the androecium. So in that case we say infinite number of stamens which are present in the androecium. So the fourth category is Fourth category is gynoecium. This gynoecium means female reproductive organs. Generally, gynoecium are located at the center, and this gynoecium has a unit. It's like androecium, like corolla, like calyx. These gynoecium also have unit. These units are known as carpels. To see carpels, you must take transverse section as photograph indicating. The gynoecium has carpels as a unit. Sometimes you will find 2 carpels, sometimes you will find 3 carpels, sometimes you will find 5 carpels. So these carpels are unit of gynoecium. As I am trying to tell you here, the floral whorl in which you will find 4 different organs, 2 necessary, 2 accessory, just I have discussed here. So thank you for watching this video. In the next part we will discuss more about the flower.